to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the frequently asked questions which we get for the clean oil filtration machine when it comes to filtration of oil. So we'll just run you through a few questions we face. Hopefully if you have the same questions, I can answer them satisfactorily. So the first question we face is that why should someone filter hydraulic oil? In any machine where there is any sort of hydraulic oil or gear oil or turbine oil, very fine amount of dust and contamination tends to develop in the system, even if it's a closed loop system. What this ends up doing is ends up damaging the machine in terms of its pumps, maybe valves, and even seals can get damaged. When the machine is running, even if it's a closed loop circuit, contamination and moisture tends to develop. We always advise to remove this contamination in order to extend the life of hydraulic oil. As you know, the life of hydraulic oil is indefinite and does not need to be changed as long as the acidity is maintained and contamination is removed. This will protect you from maintenance breakdowns and also give you longer life on your machines, give you better energy consumption and higher output. The second question usually we face is that what is your system of filtration and how long is the life of the filter cartridge? Now our machine is an online machine which works through the method of absorption and adsorption process. The machine has a filter cartridge in it and a pump. We simply take a suction into the machine and the contamination moisture is collected in the cartridge and clean oil goes back. So it works in a closed loop circuit and all contamination is collected in the filter cartridge. The filter cartridge simply has to be changed once it reaches its full holding capacity, and this can vary depending on how much contamination is there in the oil. We give an average of about 3000 liters per liter. Question number 3. What type of contamination does the filter cartridge remove and how does it remove this contamination? Now, the clean oil filter cartridge is able to remove both moisture, ferrous contamination and non-ferrous contamination from the hydraulic oil. These are the 3 main types of contamination which develop in the oil. How it works? The contamination is removed through an adsorption process and the moisture is removed through absorption process. Coniferous longwood pulp paper absorbs the moisture content in the hydraulic oil and removes the moisture content. So we do not do any heating, we simply work on absorption and we remove, and it is the safest way of removing the moisture from the hydraulic oil. There are magnetic rods inside the clean oil machine as well. This is able to remove the ferrous contamination and give you a longer lasting life on the filter. 4. What is NAS level and what sort of NAS level can you achieve? NAS stands for National Aerospace Standard, and that is the measurement which is used industry-wise to calculate or measure the amount of contamination in hydraulic oil. These are measured on particle size and we tend to remove, and as you remove the contamination from the hydraulic oil, the NAS level reduces. Industry standard of new oil is measured between NAS 6 and NAS 7. The longer you run the machine on the hydraulic oil, the lower the NAS level comes. We have maintained and even got down to NAS 3 and NAS 2 levels as well. Obviously this was a dedicated system and a certain number of filtration methods were used pre-filter, post-filter of the clean oil machine. Question number 5. Is your machine used online or offline? The machine can work both online as well as offline depending on your requirement. If you have oil in barrels, we can simply transfer the oil from the dirty barrel to the clean barrel and filter it on the way. Or we can install it online directly on your machine. We will simply take a suction feed from the bottom of the tank and deliver to the top of the tank. Through this loop system, the machine can be running as well as the oil can be. Question number 6. What is the dirt holding capacity of your filter cartridge? Our filter cartridge is able to hold about 3 to 4 kgs of fine dust per filter cartridge and about 1.2 liters of moisture per filter cartridge. Considering that hydraulic oil has to be kept very clean and has to be maintained to a certain NAS level, this is a very high amount of contamination which we are able to remove per filter cartridge. So these are the generic questions we face when we talk to our customers or any new queries which come into our field when it comes to hydraulic oil filtration machine. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask us. You can write us an email in the description below, or you can leave a comment in the section in the comment section as well. Other than this, we'll be making more videos on our other filtration like magnetic filtration products and coolant filtration as well. So please do subscribe to our channel, and thank you for being with us and watching this video.